In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form on HubSpot. Whether you're looking to engage visitors on your site or gather essential information from your audience, pop-up forms can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet effective process. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot and ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials correctly, because access to your account is essential for creating and managing your pop-ups. Now that you're logged in, you'll navigate to the trial guide. You may be wondering what the trial guide is all about. Well, it's a handy resource hub where you can find all the necessary materials and insights to kick off your form building process. This guide can be a great reference point, especially if you're new to creating forms on HubSpot or if you want a little extra assistance. With those resources in hand, head over to your homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but the one you want to focus on is marketing. Click on marketing to unfold more options related to enhancing your marketing strategy. Next, locate the CTA or call to action function. This tool plays a fundamental role in encouraging your website visitors to engage further with your content. Once you find it, click CTA and then move forward by hitting Create. This will take you to the section where you can start customizing your pop-up form to suit your specific needs. Once you're in the creation space, you'll be asked to select a template. Templates are a great starting point because they provide a pre-designed structure that you can further tailor to reflect your brand. Choose a template that aligns with your form's goals and the overall design aesthetics of your website. After selecting, simply click Choose Template. Now it's time to unleash your creativity and customize your form. Feel free to adjust elements like colors, text, images, and even the form fields themselves. The customization options are there to support your vision, whether you're looking for something simple and clean or bold and eye-catching. Take your time here to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your branding and business objectives. Once you're satisfied with the overall design and functionality of your form, the next step is crucial. Click, review, and publish. This ensures that everything is set to go live smoothly and that your pop-up form meets your expectations. Take a final look through your settings and make sure everything is in order. Once you're confident, go ahead and publish your form to make it live for your audience to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a pop-up form on HubSpot. Remember, the key to an effective pop-up is not just its design, but how it fits into your overall marketing strategy. Happy form building!